Classic cars hold a special place in our hearts. They are more than just machines, they are a testament to the ingenuity and creativity of a bygone era. Each classic car tells a story, a narrative woven with threads of history, culture, and personal memories. They represent a bygone era of craftsmanship and design. The attention to detail, the quality of materials, and the unique design elements are a far cry from the mass-produced vehicles of today. Each curve, each line, and each component was meticulously crafted to create a work of art on wheels. Many people are drawn to their unique beauty, historical significance, and the opportunity to connect with automotive history. Classic cars are a window into the past, offering a glimpse of the technological advancements and design philosophies of different eras. They are a tangible link to the history of the automobile and the evolution of transportation. Restoring a classic car is a labor of love. It requires patience, dedication, and a deep appreciation for the vehicle's history. The process of bringing a classic car back to life is a journey filled with challenges and rewards. Each step, from sourcing original parts to meticulously restoring the engine, is a testament to the owner's passion and commitment. It allows enthusiasts to preserve a piece of the past and create something truly special. The transformation from a rusted relic to a gleaming masterpiece is a sight to behold. It's a process that not only restores the car but also breathes new life into its story, allowing it to be appreciated by future generations. Classic cars are more than just vehicles, they are cultural icons. They represent different periods of design, technology, and social trends. Each classic car is a snapshot of the era in which it was created, reflecting the values, aspirations, and innovations of its time. They represent different periods of design, technology, and social trends. From the elegant lines of a 1930s luxury sedan to the bold, futuristic designs of the 1950s, classic cars showcase the evolution of automotive design and the changing tastes of society. From the sleek lines of a 1960s sports car to the rugged elegance of a vintage pickup truck, each classic car tells a story. These stories are often intertwined with personal memories and experiences, making the connection to these vehicles even more profound. These stories often resonate with personal memories and experiences, making the restoration process even more meaningful. For many, working on a classic car is a way to connect with loved ones, relive cherished memories, and create new ones. It's a shared passion that brings people together, fostering a sense of community and camaraderie. The roar of a classic engine, the feel of the steering wheel, and the sight of chrome gleaming in the sunlight evoke a sense of nostalgia and admiration. These sensory experiences transport us back in time, allowing us to relive the golden age of motoring. Classic car rallies and shows bring together enthusiasts who share a passion for these automotive treasures. These events are a celebration of the history, craftsmanship, and beauty of classic cars. They provide a platform for owners to showcase their hard work and dedication, and for admirers to appreciate the artistry and engineering of these timeless machines. They provide a platform to showcase the hard work and dedication poured into each restoration. These gatherings are a testament to the enduring appeal of classic cars and the community that surrounds them. They are a place where stories are shared, friendships are forged, and the love for classic cars is celebrated. Owning and driving a classic car is a unique experience. It allows you to connect with the history of the automobile and appreciate the craftsmanship of a bygone era. The feeling of driving a classic car, with its distinctive handling and character, is unlike anything else. It's a journey back in time, a chance to experience the world as it was decades ago. It allows you to connect with the history of the automobile and appreciate the craftsmanship of a bygone era. Each drive is a reminder of the innovation and artistry that went into creating these vehicles. It's a way to honor the legacy of the past and keep the spirit of classic cars alive. The process of restoring a classic car piece by piece is incredibly rewarding. It's a meticulous and often challenging endeavor, but the satisfaction of seeing the finished product makes it all worthwhile. Each restored car is a testament to the skill, patience, and passion of its owner. It's a journey of discovery, problem-solving, and ultimately, the satisfaction of bringing a piece of automotive history back to life. The joy of driving a restored classic car, knowing the effort and love that went into its restoration, is a feeling like no other. It's a celebration of the past, a tribute to the craftsmanship of yesteryears, and a promise to preserve these treasures for future generations. Before embarking on a classic car restoration, a thorough assessment and meticulous planning are essential. This initial phase is where you lay the groundwork for the entire project. This stage sets the foundation for a successful and rewarding restoration journey. Without a solid plan, you may encounter unexpected challenges that could derail your progress. Begin by carefully inspecting the car's condition. Look at every nook and cranny, from the undercarriage to the engine bay. Document any rust, damage, or missing parts. Take detailed notes and photographs to create a comprehensive record. This assessment helps determine the scope of the project and the availability of parts. Knowing what you need in advance can save you time and money. Creating a detailed plan is crucial. This plan should outline each step of the restoration process, from disassembly to reassembly. This plan should include a realistic budget, a timeline for completion, and a list of necessary tools and equipment. Budgeting is particularly important to avoid overspending. Researching parts availability and sourcing reputable suppliers is paramount. Some parts may be rare and require extensive searching. Some parts may be readily available, while others may require sourcing from specialists or fabricating from scratch. Custom fabrication can be time-consuming, but is often necessary for a perfect fit. Having a dedicated workspace is essential. This space should be organized to keep tools and parts easily accessible. This space should be well lit, ventilated, and equipped with the necessary tools. Proper lighting and ventilation are crucial for both safety and precision work. Safety should be a top priority throughout the restoration process. Always wear appropriate safety gear to protect yourself from potential hazards. Invest in safety gear such as gloves, eye protection, and a respirator, especially when working with chemicals or welding. These precautions can prevent serious injuries. Remember, restoring a classic car is a marathon, not a sprint. Take your time to ensure each step is done correctly. Patience, perseverance, and attention to detail are key to achieving a high-quality restoration. Every small detail contributes to the overall success of the project. By investing time in thorough assessment, planning, and preparation, you'll be well positioned to bring your classic car back to its former glory. The effort you put in now will pay off in the end, resulting in a beautifully restored vehicle that you can be proud of. Disassembly is where the restoration journey truly begins. It's like peeling back layers of time, revealing the car's history, and uncovering hidden surprises. Before starting the disassembly process, it's crucial to document the car's current state. Take detailed photographs and label all parts and fasteners meticulously. This documentation will prove invaluable during the reassembly process. Begin by disconnecting the battery and draining the fluids, including the engine oil, coolant, brake fluid, and fuel. Once the fluids are drained, proceed to remove major components such as the engine, transmission, axles, and suspension. As you disassemble each component, carefully inspect for wear, damage, or missing parts. With the major components removed, focus on dismantling the car's interior. Carefully remove seats, carpets, door panels, and dashboard components. These parts will be cleaned, repaired, or replaced as needed. Proper organization is key during disassembly. Store parts in a clean, dry, and organized manner. Label each part clearly to avoid confusion during reassembly. Remember, each piece you remove tells a story of the car's past. Handle them with care, knowing they'll soon be part of its future. Section 4. A fresh canvas, rust removal, and metalwork. Rust is the nemesis of classic cars, and addressing it is crucial for a lasting restoration. Once the car is disassembled, thoroughly inspect the body and frame for any signs of rust. Start by removing loose rust using wire brushes, grinders, or sandblasters. For more severe rust, you may need to cut out and replace affected areas. This requires welding in new metal patches, ensuring a seamless and structurally sound repair. After addressing the rust, it's time to prepare the metal for bodywork. Use body filler to smooth out any imperfections, dents, or scratches. Apply the filler in thin layers, allowing each layer to dry completely before sanding. Once the bodywork is complete, apply a primer to protect the metal and provide a smooth surface for paint. Rust removal and metalwork are labor-intensive processes that require patience and attention to detail. However, the effort is well worth it, as it lays the foundation for a flawless paint job and ensures the longevity of your classic car restoration. Section 5. Reviving the heart engine and mechanical restoration. The engine is the heart of any car, and restoring it to its former glory is a rewarding aspect of classic car restoration. This process not only brings the car back to life, but also ensures that it runs smoothly and efficiently. A well-restored engine can significantly enhance the performance and longevity of your classic car, making it a joy to drive. Begin by thoroughly cleaning the engine block, cylinder head, and all internal components. This step is crucial as it removes any dirt, grime, and old oil that may have accumulated over the years. Use a degreaser and a brush to ensure every nook and cranny is spotless. A clean engine is easier to work on and helps in identifying any potential issues. Inspect each part for wear and tear, replacing any damaged or worn-out components. Look for cracks, corrosion, and other signs of damage. Pay special attention to the pistons, crankshaft, and camshaft, as these are critical components. Replacing these parts with high-quality replacements will ensure the engine runs smoothly and reliably. If the engine requires a complete overhaul, you'll need to disassemble it completely, inspect and measure each component, and rebuild it using new bearings, gaskets, and seals. This process can be time-consuming, but is essential for ensuring the engine operates at its best. Take your time and follow the manufacturer's specifications for each component. This is a specialized task best left to experienced mechanics. They have the tools, knowledge, and expertise to handle the intricacies of engine rebuilding. If you're not confident in your abilities, consider hiring a professional to do the job. This will save you time and ensure the engine is rebuilt correctly. Once the engine is reassembled, it's time to focus on the other mechanical systems. These include the transmission, differential, brakes, suspension, and steering system. Each of these systems plays a crucial role in the overall performance and safety of the car. Inspect and service the transmission, differential, brakes, suspension, and steering system. Check for any signs of wear and tear, and replace any components that are not in good condition. Properly functioning mechanical systems are essential for a safe and enjoyable driving experience. Replace any worn-out parts with new or refurbished components. Using high-quality parts will ensure the longevity and reliability of your classic car. Don't cut corners when it comes to replacement parts, as this can affect the performance and safety of the vehicle. Pay attention to details, ensuring all nuts, bolts, and fasteners are properly torqued. This step is crucial for the overall integrity of the engine and mechanical systems. Properly torqued fasteners prevent leaks and ensure that all components are securely in place. Restoring the engine and mechanical systems is essential for a safe and reliable classic car. This process not only enhances the car's performance but also preserves its value. A well-maintained engine and mechanical systems are key to enjoying your classic car for years to come. A well-running engine and smoothly functioning mechanical systems will bring your classic car back to life, allowing you to experience the thrill of driving it once again. The effort and time invested in restoring these systems will be rewarded with a reliable and enjoyable driving experience, making all the hard work worthwhile.